Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ross, here with the 2024 Best Tool Watch, and now they've made a few more options for us. The Milgraph. This time, it's in a white dial. Now this is not the SABOTAGE, albeit the orange rubber strap may give that away, but this is the white dial variant, and the orange accents are not on this particular dial. They are on the SABOTAGE model, so if you check that out online, you'll be able to take a look and differentiate between the two of them. MICROMILSPEC has been known for making quality watches for military units, special forces, first responders, tactical professionals all around the globe. They're killing it. They've been making the Milgraph since early 2024, and now we have updates in white dial as well as Project SABOTAGE. Nice to see that we have more options here. I'm looking at it right now online. They are fantastic watches. I myself said best tool watch of 2024 when the original release came out. I'll link that video at the end of this one so you can check that out at your leisure. But we have the white dial here, a Norwegian company producing Swiss-made quality build watches, and this one's no exception. I've reviewed the black dial Milgraph, love it. This one here, white dial, is looking real sharp too. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate it. If you have the time, you can hover over the picture down there in the left corner and just subscribe at your leisure. You'll be able to follow along, and whenever new videos are released, you can watch them at your leisure. It's a lot of fun. You can join me on my watch journey. The Milgraph, limited to 75 pieces annually. Check out MICROMILSPEC.com for your selection today, not to mention other designs that are available that I've also reviewed on the channel likely as well. But we're looking at 42 millimeters of grade 5 titanium, a great build here for the Milgraph with a satin brushed finish, 15 millimeter thickness, 200 meters of water resistance. Lug to lug is 50.3 millimeters, so yeah, it does stretch a little bit across your wrist, so it may not be for everyone, but a full package weight here with the rubber strap here, 102 grams, really nice. 120 click quad grip unidirectional bezel. You can actually manipulate it with your hands or if you have gloves on. Screw down case back on the bottom with personalization space as well, and then you have the domed sapphire crystal on top. Now, a signed MICROMILSPEC logo crown with chamfered crown guards and a rectangular pusher system. Sleek, yet functional. And of course, you've noticed the operations are all on the left side of this case design. Can make it a little awkward for us right-handed people, but you know what? You get used to it. It's no problem. Better yet, when it's on the wrist, you don't have the issues of the crown digging into your hand there like that. So I understand. I get it. Today's video is sponsored by Daily Watch. Do me a favor, check them out at dailywatch.com. If you're looking for accessories for watches, if you're a collector, enthusiast, whatever it might be, just a regular person, even looking for gift ideas, you can get anything from luxury watch cleaning supplies. You can get personalized cases where you can get your name embossed into them with this 3-watch roll like this. Genuine leather, great quality stuff. They also have hexagon cases for like 6 watches that you can carry. Just like that, no problem. Even travel solutions. Maybe you want to take 2 watches on the road for you, or on a flight, or wherever you might be going. These don't use the snap system. They use the rail system, which is easy access and doesn't allow for a breakdown of the materials quite as easily. So good quality stuff. If you're also looking for things like watch stands, where's the stand? I have the robot stand right here. Things like that, right? Great little tiny accessories. Check them out online. Do what you can. But thanks to Daily Watch for sponsoring this video. I appreciate all the support. Now back to the video. I hope you're enjoying it. Now the crown also has the red alert winding stem for security. You'll know when it's exposed. You got to screw that down in case you're going to be submerged. Not to mention, you don't want to leave it exposed and then risk catching it on something. So pushers are responsive, a little different than what you may be used to. We have start stop on the bottom left and the reset is up top. Now, maybe you're new to the left side crown design, so let's go over it a little bit for you so you can kind of get a feel for it and know that what you're looking at. You can unscrew that crown and you'll know when it's open. You'll feel the thread release, and then you can see also the red crown stem. Now at this point, you can wind the watch manually by turning it clockwise. Once you pull it out again to the second position, you can turn counterclockwise and move that GMT hand forward for setting your time zone. The third, if you pull it all the way out, counterclockwise movement of the handsets will move it forward. Now you push it back in and you turn it clockwise to lock it down and you're good to go. Now the Milgraph dial is great. I love me the black dial, but this white one is really special. I love the texture and contrast. Great looking. Everything is black and orange with accents on top of this white dial, and just everything pops. And with this design, you have an orange tipped large seconds hand for the chronograph, as well as an orange loom tipped triangular GMT hand. Fat pencil, hour hand, baton, minute hand, both half skeletonized with loom filling. Now 3 sub-registers, all labeled for ease of timing. 3 o'clock you have running seconds. 6 o'clock you have the chronograph in minutes. And 12 o'clock you have the chronograph in hours. And at the 9 we have the watch logo and information for MICROMILSPEC, Milgraph 20 ATM, and the serial number of the unit for the purchase of that year. Mini pencil hour markers all the way around, no numbers, black framed so they pop on top of this dial, and finished off with a 24-hour GMT chapter ring. Now one thing I could point out is that I feel the GMT hand could be a tiny bit longer, extending closer towards that 24-hour chapter ring. Comment below, let me know what you think. It's a Swiss-made product here. Great quality stuff. La Joue Pourré automatic LJP L121 movement. 28,800 vibrations per hour, 26 joules, 60-hour power reserve self-winding, and an accuracy of plus or minus 4 seconds a day. Now strap, I love MICROMILSPEC straps. They are awesome. Durable, yet lightweight, comfortable on the wrist. Nice to have them. You can choose black, white, or orange when you make your selection in your order online. It's comfortable. One of my favorite rubber strap designs ever. This company's doing it right. A great look, feels good, slight taper from that integrated connection at the 22 down to maybe about 18 millimeters at that pin and buckle closure. And the pin and buckle closure is great with the brushed angled design with that kind of like a hook pin system. Signed with MICROMILSPEC as well. It has a really good look to it. Now the cost, here's where things can get a little tricky. I know we're looking at $5,200 Canadian if you go online and check things out yourself. You're getting a lot of function in this watch, something that's durable and likely going to outlive you. The Milgraph by MICROMILSPEC. If they weren't on your radar, I hope they are now. Thanks for coming to the channel. Go online, take a look, and if this is not the particular model that you like, you could always check online and see which model is going to work for you. It's a great watch. I like it. Maybe a significant purchase for some, and I hope you have the information you need to make that decision. Swiss-made quality, tough, rugged build, performance is great, and what do I always say? Yeah, you never regret buying quality. Thanks for tuning in. That's the Milgraph by MICROMILSPEC. Love it. But it's got to go back. Thanks to Theo for the hands-on. I appreciate my time with it. It didn't disappoint as usual. This is not a paid review. My opinion's my own. Another one here on the wish list. See you on the next one.